with me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, you need to access device's settings and choose passwords and security. Then click on face section over here and enter your current login method. After that, just continue and keep your face in frame. Now you need to click on done over here, and when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Oppo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!